Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. We are live here right now for the U IPO here on Robinhood. I'm sharing with you my live trade. Do I get an IPO? I've requested shares. I've requested 20 shares. So let's bring up that screen right now. Here we go. Let's share with you the live portfolio. This is actually my live portfolio of Robinhood. So everything here is real, nothing is clickbait. This is all my own money, real stuff. And here is the U IPO. I requested from Clear Secure Inc. 20 shares from Robinhood, and the pre-market's open. We're just seconds away from the main market opening. Let's see if I actually get the shares. Because remember, an IPO, initial public offering, isn't always guaranteed. It's luck. It's nothing to do with size of portfolio or anything like that. It's a wonderful opportunity that Robinhood allow us to do, and sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. This is my second attempt to get an IPO. I missed out on figs, but I ended up buying on the same day, so I still got a great price. But we'll see what happens right now. While we're just waiting for a couple more seconds, let's go back to the main screen, and please click subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the videos. Here is the bell. Just click just there. Really appreciate you subscribing to my channel. That way it supports me and shows the algorithm what you like. So thank you very much indeed for subscribing to the channel. And don't forget, always leave comments below after the video, what you think of the video. Mr. Love likes that. It always makes him smile. Thank you very much, Mr. Love, for showing up. Okay, we're just seconds away now, so I'm going to go back to the main screen. Here we go. Let's go over there right now. And the main market is now opened. Let's refresh the screen. Let's see what's happening. It says it's queued. I'm queued to get the shares, and the information will come up. Hi Pippa, welcome. Lovely to have you here. The Real Estate Insider, exciting. It is indeed. Let me bring up your comments on the screen. Thank you very much indeed. There's the Real Estate Insider. Thank you very much. It is exciting. You're watching me live here trade with my own shares. And here is Pippa from Wales. Thank you very much, guys. If you just joined me, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. We're live trading here on the Day Trader. And we're excited to see what happens. Nice to see you again, Pippa. It's been a while. We're trading live here on Robinhood. Let me tell you a bit about this IPO, okay? We're waiting to this refresh because the way it works is Robinhood allow users of their platform to get in on an initial public offering, but it is random. The shares are limited. There's millions of people trying to buy the shares today. I think it's a good investment. This is a little bit about Clear. Let me show you a little bit about them. Clear was launched in 2010 to create frictionless travel experience while enhancing homeland security. You've seen them at the airports, you've seen them at football stadiums, you've seen them all over the place. It makes it a lot more efficient to get through the airport, to get through security, and with COVID and all this stuff. Yeah, I'm seeing a massive upturn now in my shares. Let's have a look. There we go. There's the live. There it is. We're just going up. What's causing that? Let me have a look. I'm seeing my crypto coin just go up again a little bit, so that's helped that. But we're still following this IPO. It hasn't yet cleared. I don't see it going to the moon today because all travel stocks are down at the minute obviously because of COVID. But I'm not too concerned about that. I think overall this is a good investment. Remember with Robinhood IPOs, you're encouraged not to flip. You can if I get these shares live, we're still waiting. I'm surprised it hasn't come through. Last time it came through instantly. It told me I didn't get it, but it's queued. So maybe I am. Maybe it's. What can I say? It's right there. I've got a final price of $31, as you can see on the screen there. There's my bid. Final price $31. I'm just waiting to see. It's in the queue, I guess. It's a very, very busy time for the IPO at the moment. So we will see what happens. Yeah, there's no information yet. Nothing's happened. I can't see anything yet. The public don't get to see the first few hours of trade. I noticed when I bought in with what was it? I think it was Figs. I didn't get the IPO, but I managed to buy it. About 2 hours later, it went public. You could see it publicly 2 hours later. There was that first 2 hours of behind the screen, if you like. You couldn't actually get to it for 2 hours. But nevertheless, I've just dropped my seat there. I was a little bit high when I. So if you saw me just drop there. So yeah, I do think it's a great opportunity. A little bit more about you. Let me just go and show you this information here. Clear is touchless. You are unstoppable. It gets people through the security. Whether you're at airports, this is the device here. Whether you're through the airports or whether you're at football stadiums or whatever, it gets you through. And I think in a more secure way from the point of view of its contactless and stuff like that. So from the point of view of COVID. I think this is going to be great. It's a subscription service. It says here something. I think it says $15 a month. That's probably a from price. You can get in and have this service, so it gets you through the airports quicker. Hey, it'd be great if they give shareholders a free pass, wouldn't it? That'd be nice. So anyway, let's have a look here. Clear Secure has filed to raise $376 million in a US IPO. So I don't yet know if I'm accepted for it. We're just waiting right now. I'm going to keep you updated. I'm going to be here as long as I can. I can't be here that much longer, I'm hoping. So we're pretty flat at the moment today. Looking at... I've got a lot of investment in Tesla. This is my real IPO. This is my real money. This is what I do. So I'm sharing with you my actual portfolio. Tesla's been great the last few days. I'm expecting that to continue rising. And of course, Virgin Galactic literally went to the moon. Any day now, we're expecting Richard Branson to be the first guy to. The first billionaire to go up into space. I'm expecting him to go up on the 4th of July. That's what I'm really excited about. I think it could happen and beat Jeff Bezos. So we're watching that closely as well. So we're still waiting for an update here. Whether I've been accepted, whether I managed to get... I'm queued. So the way the IPO works... I know some people got really upset with Robinhood. Robinhood is fantastic. But remember, it's a privilege to get in on an IPO, an initial public offering. It's a privilege. It's normally reserved for the hedge funds and the big boys and the institutions and so on. The fact that you have a chance to get an IPO is fantastic. But just remember that it is limited. It's not. Robinhood aren't favouring anybody. It doesn't matter how big your portfolio is or who you are, whatever. It's a random thing. This is my second attempt to get an IPO, but if you look at the statistics, to get in on an IPO price, most of the time, by a long way, is a great investment. If you believe in the company, always do your research, find out. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my personal experience I'm sharing with you, and I hope you get something out of it. But you're seeing it live now. I mean, you're seeing my shares in real time. If this goes up, goes down, you'll see it. We're up today, which is nice. I always like to see it go green. Of course, but that's the stock market. Things go up and down. Oh, we've just been joined by Patricia from Italy. Let me bring in Patricia's live comments. Hey Marty, glad to see you. Thank you very much for joining me. I've got some new people just coming into the show. Thank you ever so much indeed. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. So important. You won't miss any of my videos. And I really do appreciate it very, very much indeed when you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. So we're live here with Robinhood. This is my actual portfolio, my actual real money. So this is real, not clickbait whatsoever. And I have applied for an IPO, initial public offering. For those of you who are new to trading, it's when a stock trades publicly on the stock market, and its IPO is the initial public offering. And normally the general public can't get in on that price. So typically, not always, but typically it's a lower price than it, and when it opens, it generally goes up because that's its initial price. And Robinhood is the platform I use, the brokerage service I use, which I absolutely love. By the way, if you want to get some free stock, just go below in the comments and click on my referral link. I get a stock, you get a stock, and then I'll share with you my portfolio and help you through it. So there you go. I've applied for 20 shares, which is about $630 worth of shares. And I'm waiting to see if I've got those shares, because it's queued right now. As you can see, we're up at the moment on today, which is great to see. Tesla are up today, which is great. But what we're really interested in, why we're here and why you tuned into the video, is for clear, secure. This is some more information about it. I've explained this already. Clear is touchless. You are unstoppable. It seems a great idea. It's already out there in the market. Obviously, it's been going for a while. It's growing all the time. I think it's the future of going through the airports. It's a much more streamlined service. It's more secure. It works on biometrics, so it looks at your eyeball, which I think is great. So I like that idea. So the markets are up at the minute. We're up 0.31%, 0.33%. That's good. Like to see it going up, and we're just waiting. Now, last time when I applied for figs, I didn't get it. And when I don't, a lot of people get really antsy with Robinhood, and they go, "Oh, it's terrible. I didn't get it." Remember, this is a privilege to get an IPO. Not everyone gets it, and it's random. It's got nothing to do with money or who you are or what you are or any of that kind of stuff. It's just a random thing. And if I get it, I get it. If I don't, then maybe when it goes public in an hour or so, then maybe if the price drops, I'll be able to buy it at an even better price. Who knows? Who knows? But I'm committed. I have as you can see, look, there we go. Prospectus filed, price range 27 to 30. The final price was 31. Got it at 31. And the IPO is going live right now. The reason why you can't see it trading or what's going on, because that first couple of hours, it's all going on behind the scenes. And unless you are very much in the know, you don't have that information. So I can't see that, and I'm hoping to see if I got accepted. Now, for all I know, the shares could be up or down. I don't know, but my price is already locked in. I can't cancel it now. I can't do anything. If I go onto it, that's because normally you can cancel a queued order. You can't cancel a queued order if you've applied for an IPO. You're locked in. All right, that's kind of the trade-off, if you like. You're locked in because you applied for the pre-IPO price, which hopefully I'll get. Alicia has just joined us from Italy. Hello, Alicia. Great to be here. Celebrated so much yesterday, wasn't it great? England beating Germany, absolutely wonderful. And for those of you that I'll actually mention that right now. Celebrated so much yesterday, yes, indeed. For those of you that do enjoy my other my other content, let me just give you a link just here. It won't be available now, this is live, but shortly when this video processes, just here I will leave a link to Martyn's World, where you'll see all my Martyn's World stuff, and predominantly it's all football at the moment. But also, if you like music, I was voted World Piano Man, and I have a music channel where I sing live. Often when I'm trading, I like to chill out and relax when I'm trading. If you click just here, later on today, there'll be a link just there, and that'll take you to the Martyn Lucas Music Studios. Okay, and we are live here right now with the Day Trader. This is where I trade live stocks and shares. Patricia says we are still celebrating. Hey, Patricia, you do know that there's a very good chance that England could play Italy. If we beat the Ukraine on Saturday, then we could meet Italy in the final. So it's possible. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? Can you imagine that? Oh, that would be very interesting, right? So let's just watch again. We're looking at the information here from Clear Secure, and we are waiting to see if I've got the IPO. Now I've got a scheduled show for later on today, so I will be back later on with how I've done, because by then I would have been in the market for a while. It would have gone through. So I think you are right, Martyn. Yes, Patricia's saying that. Indeed, it could very well be England playing Italy. We shall see. All right, we're still waiting to see the IPO. Shares are up. We're up now 0.36%. That's nice. This is. If you're new to my channel, this is real. This is my real money. This is not clickbait. I'm sharing with you my real portfolio with you, and we're waiting to see whether I've been accepted, and I got shares from Clear Secure. I haven't got that much longer to stay here because I'm at water aerobics this morning, but we're watching it live to see if it happens. This is Clear Secure. It's a great organization. For those of you who are new to the channel, an IPO is an initial public offering, allowing traders to get in the moment the market that a company goes public on the stock market, and it's traditionally reserved for institutions, hedge funders, the big boys, not people like you or I. And Robinhood, the app that I use, allows you, or it gives you opportunity to get an IPO. An IPO traditionally is a great investment because very often you get in at the lower price and then the price goes up. Not always, but if the company's good and you believe in it, it's a good idea. If England meet Italy, win the best. Oh, there we go. Let me just share that. That's cool. Yeah, it could happen. We've got friends here tuning in from Italy, and we could actually have England play Italy in the World Cup. Sorry, in the Euros. I'm getting ahead of myself now. 2 more years to go for the World Cup. Thank you very much indeed. It's a pleasure. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Alicia, thanks for being here today. Thanks for tuning in. You're watching live here, IPO action on my actual portfolio, and we'll see what happens. The market's still up 0.29%. Check back here for more details. This is what happens with an IPO, because there is behind the scenes action for a while now, and I'm just waiting to see if I get in with the IPO price. We shall see. And at any moment now, that could go live. So there we go. We're just waiting, and at any minute now we shall know. So anyway, it's nice to see the crowds all here this morning. We've got a nice crowd in the live chat. Thank you very much indeed for all being here. Don't forget to always subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos. I've got always a good crowd here. It's a brand new channel. This is a brand new channel, but I've got some really good, some really wonderful support from my friends, particularly over there in Italy. Thank you very much indeed. All right, just having a quick cup of tea. Patricia says, anyway, it will be something special. Indeed, it will. It will indeed. In fact, if you rewind the video, I've put a link in for the football, Martyn's World. Just rewind back from here a bit. There will be a link on the screen. This is a live video, so when this processes later, it will be there. So just please bear with me. Right. We're just waiting. There's nothing we can do at the moment. There's absolutely nothing we can do to see if I've been accepted. This is Clear Secure. For those of you who've just tuned in, it's a company that has just gone public on the stock market. And I've got my request in. And hopefully I was one of the lucky ones to get an IPO. The first time I applied was for FIGs. I didn't manage to get the IPO. So I was able to purchase shares a couple of hours later, and obviously the price had gone up, but it was still worthwhile. In fact, I'll share that with you because that gives you an example of how good an IPO can be. This was FIGs. I actually missed the opportunity to get in with FIGs on the IPO. I requested it, but I didn't get it. But look at this. This is my actual portfolio, right? And my total return is 61%. So I've made $363 on that. So it's up 61%, but the all-time high is 68%. I missed on 8% because I didn't get the IPO price, and then it came out, and then I managed to buy it. So I was still happy, but I didn't get the IPO price. Otherwise, I'd be 68% up rather than 62. So that's what an IPO is about. So we're waiting to see if I get the IPO. There's nothing I can do about it. We're just waiting. It shouldn't be much longer. We shall see. But obviously, when a company goes live, there's a huge amount of interest, focus. They're ringing the bell at the stock market and all that great stuff. And it's a big moment for them. They know what the price is doing. They know exactly what the price is doing because they're there behind the scenes now, watching it all happen, and they're fully aware what's going on. But you and I'm afraid we're not in on the know just yet. We have to wait just a bit longer. So we shall see. Hopefully we shall see shortly. Any moment now we should have some information. It's exciting though. It's very, very exciting to see if I looking back at FIGs to see how FIGs is still climbing. It's great if you can get in on an IPO. If it's a good company, if you think it's going to go up, it's a great opportunity. Well, we're waiting. I would love to answer anybody's questions if you want to know about IPOs. Unfortunately, my friends over there in Italy can't take advantage of Robinhood. It's not available right there. But it's only in America at the moment. We're hoping it's going to come to the UK as well. But at the moment, so there's no news at the minute. We're just waiting. This is live happening with my live shares. I'll refresh the screen again, see what happens. Okay, there we go. Clear Secure IPO. It's queued. So we might have to check back later to see how I got on. Welcome. We've got more people just tuning in. Thank you ever so much indeed. We're watching live here. This is live on my Robinhood account of Clear Secure. This is actually my portfolio. Let's chat hope together. Yeah, absolutely. This is my live portfolio. If you're new to the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss any of the videos. And we really do appreciate that. It shows the algorithm you like the video. But I'm the day trader, and I trade live here with my shares, and I've applied for Clear Secure, ticker YOU, and I've applied for the IPO shares. I'm waiting to see it, waiting to see if I get accepted. I wasn't successful with figs. Some people were, some people weren't, but I managed to get in within 2 hours anyway. See, I'm up 62%, and I would have been up 69% now if I was able to get the IPO price. So IPOs are great. They don't always go up, but traditionally IPOs do go up. And if you can get in on that first IPO, it traditionally goes up. Not always. This one, because it's to do with travel, it could have a little rocky road for a while. Well, that's okay. Most travel companies are experiencing some difficulties, obviously, for obvious reasons. But we're watching it live here to see if I get accepted for the IPO. The good news is so far that my portfolio is up to date. This is real money. This is my portfolio. Got a couple of questions in the live chat. Let me go over to the live chat. Let me bring it up. Let's have a look. Let's bring this up here. Alicia says, let's hope together it could come to Europe as well. It would be awesome. Yes, indeed. Yes, Robinhood's not available in Europe at the moment. Only available in England. Sorry, in the United States. I was going with that. But thank you very much for your comment there. Appreciate it very much indeed. We've got quite a crowd today in the live chat, which is cool. If any of you are interested in Bitcoin or anything like that, let me know and I'll share with you. This is my while we're waiting for you just to refresh to see if I've got the shares. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin today. Let's open that. Let's have a look. This is my Bitcoin today. This is the value of Bitcoin. I'm down $24 today, but that's what Bitcoin does. I strongly believe it's going to go all the way to 100,000 and beyond. It's going to replace gold. There's so much great stuff going on now. Countries adopting it, and of course we've got the ATM machines going in. There's so much good stuff happening with Bitcoin that's just around the corner. But you have to understand it. If you don't understand what it is, then it's a stressful ride. But that's all good. I'm okay with that. But today we're focusing, while you're here, is to see the IPO with Clear Secure. This is actually live. This is my actual trade. I've applied for an IPO. I've invested, I think, 20 shares if I get it. And I'm hoping to get it, of course, because I believe in it. I've done my research. This is Clear. It's a great-looking company. You've probably all seen it at airports and at football stadiums, wherever there's security required. This is there, and it's a more efficient, better way of going through security. I think it's going to be a great company. It is a great company, but I think it's going to do very well in the stock market. I think it's going to have a rocky road at the beginning because of COVID, of course, but I think it's going to go up. So let's see. We're just waiting now. This is a live show, so anything can happen, and we're just waiting for the IPO to refresh and to find out whether I got my shares or not. If I go on to my order, this is my order here. You can see 20 shares requested, final price 31, $620 investment. Then the ticker symbol is U, and I'm just waiting now for confirmation whether I was accepted in the IPO. We will know very, very soon. We just have to wait. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask me, and I'll gladly share with you my information that I have here. So we're just waiting now. The shares at the moment are just Pretty flat, but up a little bit. Always good to see green. I prefer green. But red's all part of it. We've got a nice little crowd watching now, which is absolutely fantastic. You're all watching live to see. This is what happened to Figs. I didn't get in on it, but I got in an hour later. So I'm still up, but not as much as I would have been with an IPO. So we're just waiting for the IPO information to come up. And this is how I placed the order. But by the way, there actually is another, if you're interested, another IPO coming out. If I go back to Robinhood's main portfolio and go into IPO access, there is another IPO around the corner, and it's this one here, Duolingo. I've requested there. In fact, I've not been able to apply. There's no application yet, but what I've done is I've shown interest to apply. So I'm looking at this company here. That's another one around the corner. That's going to IPO shortly. But what we're focused on here today, of course, is you and Clear Secure Inc. And we're hoping that we'll get in. Now, it could happen. It could happen at any moment. My order goes through. I get the shares that I requested, and the price has dropped. Traditionally, though, that doesn't happen. Traditionally, statistically, overall, by a long way, it goes up. Now, Robinhood encourage you not to flip. You can flip. Flip is like when you buy something and you sell this straight away. You buy it with the intention of selling it straight away. And of course, the stock market, you can buy and sell. You can day trade, and I day trade all the time. But with an IPO, because you're getting this initial public offering price, they frown upon, should I say, flipping. You can, I can do it, but then I could be banned from doing it again, from getting in on an IPO. So for me, I never invest in that way anyway. I sometimes day trade, but very rarely do I sell. Mainly I hold on, but they're encouraging you not to do that because you've been given the privilege, the opportunity to get in before any trading, and they're encouraging you not to do it. You can, but you then may be frozen out later on for doing so. So I've no intention of I've no intention of if Clear Secure goes to $100, I'm not going to sell it just because I've made a profit. I wouldn't want to be frozen out because the IPO of Robinhood itself is around the corner, and other companies are coming in, and I'm more in for the long term anyway. So that's fine by me. I would hate to get a restriction on my account and make things more difficult for myself. So I won't be doing that anyway. But I highly recommend Robinhood. If anybody here is watching and would like to see my full portfolio, I'll happily share with you my portfolio. All I ask is if you go below in the description, there's a referral link. You can get a free stock, and I get a free stock simply by you setting up an account. It's completely free to do so, and then I will gladly share my portfolio with you. You can see over here, this is my actual portfolio. I've got Virgin Galactic, which is great, Tesla, Ford, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Carnival Cruise Lines, Rolls-Royce. Great deal on Rolls-Royce right now, if you believe in that future. Scroll to the bottom. You just waiting, of course. Lots of ETFs and dividend stocks. I've got lots of growth stocks as well, but I love dividend stocks. Maybe I'll make a video on that one day. But this is my actual real portfolio. This is my actual money, so this is the real deal here. Not clickbait at all. This is my own actual portfolio I'm sharing with you. And I hope you find this interesting. Bitcoin is the future. Very excited about Bitcoin. And this was the last IPO. I didn't quite manage to get in on it, but nevertheless, I'm glad I bought within the first hour, which is what I'm expecting Clear Secure to do at any moment. And we'll see where we are. If anybody, we've got a good number of people watching right now. If you go into the live chat and tell me where you're from. I'd love to know where my watchers are from today. Be interesting to know. We've got friends I'm from Texas, but I'm from the UK. Where are you from? Write in the live chat where you're from. I'd love to hear where you're from. We've got friends from Italy. Patricia and Alicia, they're from Italy. Leah's from Texas as well. But please do come in and let me know where you are from. And if you have any questions about my portfolio, I would gladly share with you. Washington, Dr. Nathan Anthony Smith. Lovely to see you this morning, sir. My name is Martyn Lucas. There you are. There he is. That's a happy, smiling face. Lovely to have you here. My name is Martyn Lucas, the day trader. I was also voted World Piano Man as well by Sir Elton John. And I have a link below in the description for my music channel. And I sing live. Very often I play the piano while I'm trading. My recording studio is just behind me. And if you're interested, hello to you, Dr. Anthony Smith. I'd like to introduce you to Alicia and Patricia. They're some of my music fans from Italy. And what we're watching right now is live. I've invested with Clear Secure. Just a small investment, 20 shares, which is $620. And this is my actual portfolio live here. I've got $43,000 invested here with Robinhood. Patricia said, "Interesting indeed, and in fact, in fact, I have to say that Robinhood inspires trust also for the name." Yeah, Robinhood. It's a great name, isn't it? I love it. It's great. I know there's a lot of controversy with Robinhood, but you know, this is my real money. I'm really investing in it. I love it. I love it. I think it's fantastic. And a lot of people get very angry when it's to do. In fact, people get very angry online anyway with Facebook and YouTube and Twitter and everything else. People get very angry about certain things, and you've got to understand that the world is a privilege. And it's a privilege to get an IPO. And a lot of people on Robinhood got upset because they didn't get the IPO last time. Well, not everyone can. There's a very high demand for an IPO. Lots of people are trying to get in. And, you know, you can't lose what you never had. It's wonderful that Robinhood give you the privilege to have a chance to get an IPO. Now, I might not get accepted. It looks like it's going through. It's queued to be ordered. So you've got to understand now, it's very, very busy now on the exchange to purchase all of these shares. So I'm queued. So at any moment it could go through. Now, if I don't get it, that's fine. It's fine. You know, I didn't get it. Well, you know, I'm not an entitled person who believes that the world owes me a living. You know, it may not happen. But that's okay. If it doesn't, and I believe in the company, which I do, it's why I invested in it. Look what happened to Figs. I didn't get the initial IPO, but I bought in an hour later and managed to get it. The price had gone up, but look how much it's gone up since then, 68%. So I was very happy with that investment. I've still got money, as you can see, in Figs. So that's what happened last time. So there you go. That's the beauty of an IPO. You know, we're very, very lucky that we're healthy, fit and well, and we're able to sit here in a beautiful studio, and I do my music and so on, and you know, can't just expect the world to come to you and always win and always get what you want. I mean, life doesn't work that way, does it really? And so it shouldn't. Dr. Nathan Anthony Smith, I hope you enjoy live music. Doctor, I do have this music channel. The link is below in the description, but also there will be a link up here later on. This is a live video now. It has to process for the links to show, the cards to show. But go and check out my music channel. I was voted World Piano Man. I performed 195 countries all over the world, and I do. Well, I sing 650 songs, 14 voices in 7 different languages. And so you might enjoy my my music channel, and it's called Martyn Lucas. The link's below, and I also have Martyn's World, where I just do crazy stuff, not day trading, not music, but just whatever's going on, and at the moment we're doing the football, so that's Martyn's world. All right. Okay, if you're new to the channel, we're just waiting here for Clear Secure to refresh. You'll be the first to see it in the world. No one's ahead of this. No one can be ahead of this. This is live as it happens. No one, unless you work for Clear Secure or you're very much in with the in crowd, you cannot have any more information than I'm showing here right now. So this is actually my shares really happening for me, and so on. If you've just tuned in, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. And if you go below any of my videos, I often give prizes away, sometimes cash prizes as well, when you leave comments below. If you just go below, Mr. Love always really appreciates it very much. Go below any one of my videos and comment there. All right, okay, let's go back to the main screen. Okay, let me see what Dr. Smith said there. He said, fingers crossed on getting into this IPO. Very exciting. I will definitely check out your music channel. Well, thank you. Cool, mate. Lovely to have you here. This is a brand new channel. It's only been running for, I don't know, a week. So we're only at, 40, what are we at now? 19 subscribers? Brand new channel. My music channel has several thousand, so it's a bit different. This is a brand new channel. But thank you very much indeed. You'll check out my music. Brilliant. Sometimes I will do a live trades, and I'll go back to my piano and just chill out at the piano while I'm trading. But yeah, we're just waiting live here for this. When this refreshes, it'll be the first time anyone would see the price. This is as up to date information, and unless you're actually on the floor of the stock market, and unless you actually work for the company, you will not know any more information than I've got here. And you will see, and it should refresh any second now. Last time I was able to buy in, once it went public, that everyone else could see it within about an hour. So the market opened 45 minutes ago. So we're expecting any moment, particularly as I bought in at the IPO price, we'll see. Now, this is a new program, facility, privilege, I like to call it, that Robinhood are offering their customers. And people get very, very angry when they don't get it. Well, it's a random thing, okay? You know, the demand for shares is extremely high on an IPO price. And if I'm one of the lucky ones, I'm one of the lucky ones. If not, maybe when it goes public, any minute now, the shares could be 29. Well, of course, I'll jump in on it and I'll buy it at 29. Of course I will, because I believe in it. Maybe I'll be lucky and get the $31 price, and now the price is 100. Who knows? Who knows? But we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see what happens. But all we can do is hold tight. Bitcoin's up today. My whole portfolio is up. This is my real shares. This is really happening live right now. It's very, very exciting stuff. And all we can do is these moments before it goes live to the world for the very first... I thought it had gone then. I thought I clicked on it. I was on figs. I got all excited. I thought, wow, it's gone up to 47. That was figs. So let's see. And thank you very much for everyone tuning in today. It's lovely to have such a wonderful crowd here today, all tuned in with me live on the show. If it's your very first time here, we are live with Robinhood app, live to see if I get accepted for my initial IPO. The initial public offering, it's a service that Robinhood offer. If you're like me and you like investing, I mean, why wouldn't you invest? If I put $43,000 in the bank, I would earn 0.01% interest. Well, here, this initial portfolio was created from $5,000, so you can see how much I've made. I love Robinhood because it allows me to take an interest in the stock market, allows me to buy in fractional shares. It allows me to buy in without any charges. I don't rely on a financial investor. I can just do my own research. It's great. It's engaging. Never invest with money that you need to pay the mortgage with, obviously. And you only lose if you sell when it's down. It's as simple as that. And if you've got good stock and you believe in it, you just wait. And for me, what I'm doing is I'm investing in long term. It doesn't matter to me if shares go up or down. I don't buy the price. I buy the true value of the company itself. Where's the company going? What's it stand for? What does it do? And so on and so forth. So that's how I do it. And that's why I love and recommend Robinhood. By the way, I will say that, again, just so we all know, I'm not a financial advisor. But what I am is genuinely sharing with you my real shares. If my shares drop right now, you would see it. If I lose all my money, if the stock market crashes, you will see it. And if that happens, will I fall off my chair? No. I will see it as an opportunity to buy in because the companies are still good. The companies are still doing good things, but the market does go up and down. It's what happens. And, these things happen. So just got to go with it. But always do your research. An IPO is a good opportunity. On average, IPOs win. Not always, but on average they do. So I've done my research. It's a good company. I do expect the shares to have a rocky few weeks, few months because of travel restrictions. This isn't a stock that's going to boom instantly. I'm sure they would have preferred COVID not to be around right now, but unfortunately, it is what it is. But it's okay. It's okay. Things will improve. This is clear. I've done my research. I've read and studied the company, and it seems a great company, a lot to offer. I think it's a great way to get through the airports. I think it's a great way to improve security, efficiency, contactless. I think it's a great way to, be cleaner and more hygienic at the airports and places. So if it's your first time here, guys, I'd love if anyone could click the thumbs up button. Please click the thumbs up button. We've got more people watching than a thumbs up. So please click the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much indeed. This channel isn't monetized. I don't get any money from doing this. Oh, thank you very much. Someone just thumbs up the video. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, really helps the video. I'm doing it just to share with you my experiences. And should you wish to, follow my lead, there's a link below to Robinhood. And if you get the app, it's free. You can then trade with Robinhood. And if you sign up, you get a free app. A free stock, and I get a free stock, and I'll happily then share with you more information of my full portfolio. That seems fair, doesn't it? But we both get a stock out of it, so please do go and consider trying out at least anyway with Robinhood. So we're just waiting. There's nothing I can do about it. It's live, and any moment now this will refresh. I would expect it could be any moment. I was able to buy in at the public price for the last IPO, which was Figs on Robinhood, about an hour after the market opened. So we are just waiting now. It's just a waiting game. But you'll be the first to see it. You'll see me go up or down. You'll see it happen live. That's all I can actually do about it right now. But if you're new to the channel, please do. This is my live portfolio right now. Please do consider subscribing and ring the bell. There it is. The reason why you ring the bell is you get notified when I go live, so you don't miss any of these live events. If you wish to do so, there you go. And if you are a music fan, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. I have a music channel, and the links are below. Thank you very much, everybody that's liked the video, the thumbs up. Appreciate it. It's your first time here, please do thumbs up the video. It helps me. It's a brand new channel. I'm not monetized. I'm just sharing with you my real portfolio live for you. Just got notified that my order will not be filled Ah, same. Right. So you guys didn't get it. Okay, let me have a look. Your request to buy could not be filled. IPO shares can be very limited and requests for shares are randomly selected. No, I didn't get it either. Yeah, we're all the same. Let me share that with you. No, I didn't get it either. Okay, now, guys, don't worry about that. All right? Don't worry about it. It's a shame, but like I said, it's a privilege. Let's share those comments for you a minute. Yeah, I've got the same notification. Just come in. I didn't get it either. That's a shame. But let's watch closely, because when Figs did the same thing, I didn't get it. But what happened is, within an hour, I was just sat here waiting. Within an hour, it actually populated, and this was my result with Figs. Let me just show you, right? This is what happened with Figs. Really good company. It's gone up 69% so far. Look at it. It's absolutely brilliant. Let me share with you. All right. It's been absolutely great. Same here, Samuel. Yeah, I didn't get it either. But listen, guys, I'm the same as you. I didn't get it, but hold on to our seats, because Figs did the same thing. I tried to buy shares with Figs. I didn't get it, but what I did do is I sat here and waited, and the moment it went live, I bought it. Yes, I lost about 7 or 8%. I didn't get the best deal, but look, I'm still up. The whole thing's up 68%, look, right? But I'm up 62 because I didn't get the best price, but I still managed to buy in, and that's been great for me. So let's have a look. IPO share, and you can view. So view my details here. Yeah, your request was unable to be filled. There we go. There it is. Jonathan, you're not happy with it. In the comments, you're not happy with it. No, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with your comment, because not everyone can get it. It's a privilege. It's a privilege. It's a random thing. I'm okay with it. I don't feel entitled that I absolutely should have it. There's only so many shares that can go round. Robinhood has been great to me. This is my portfolio. I only invested $5,000. I'm up to $43,000. I haven't paid any fees to come in or go out of this. I'm very happy with the service. I've also got Bitcoin invested with Robinhood. I'm not concerned. People go, oh, they've got no wallet. I don't want to sell it. I'm keeping it for the future, and they will have a wallet shortly anyway. So I'm not worried about that. So I don't see it the same way. Do they only choose people that invested more? No, it is random. Gallade has just made a comment saying that no. If you could help me out, guys, this is a brand new channel. Please do subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind. It really helps me bring you these videos. This channel isn't monetized. I'm here just to share with you my experiences, and you will see my shares go up or down in real life. Thank you, Jonathan, very much. No, it is random. It is random. And remember the way it works. We're still waiting now for Figs, because what might happen is we'll see what the shares are in a few moments, and then maybe I'll buy in. So that's what I'm going to wait to do. I'm going to wait to do that. Maybe the price has dropped. Who knows? We're just waiting there now. And I will see what happens. Maybe I'll be able to buy in there. We're just going to wait and see. But Jonathan McBride, thank you. Thumbs up. Thank you ever so much indeed. Do they only choose people who invested more? No, they don't. It's random. And remember, it's not just Robinhood. Robinhood have a very small percentage. They have just a few shares, not a few million probably, but they have some shares to offer us as their customers. But lots and lots and lots of people are trying to invest today in Clear Secure. The fact that Robinhood bring us the opportunity, they allow us to, apply for it, and we could get it. It's random. Of course, my buying power has now gone up. My buying power has gone up because the money that was tied up with Clear Secure has been released. So I can now buy something else. So I'm now watching to see this. Now, I was prepared to pay 31. Any minute now, the shares will be available. When they're available, I'm going to buy. If the shares are 31, any minute now, I will buy. If the shares have dropped, I will buy. If the shares have gone up to 35, I'll probably buy. But what I might do, if it goes up to 40, I'll wait. Because then if we get a dip because of travel restrictions before it has its real growth, then I might wait for a dip. And that's exactly what I did with figs. Figs, I was unable to get it. So with figs, what I did, I bought in, and I bought in about 2 hours later. I caught a little dip, and I managed to get it, not at the IPO price, but I managed to get it at a reasonable price. It was like $5-6 more. But look, I'm up 63% on my investment. So I'm okay with that. So remember, guys, all of you here who are able to invest in this are probably fit and well, have some money in the bank, have the facilities, you've got internet, electricity, power, light, heat. You're in a privileged position. The fact that you was unable to get an IPO shouldn't make you angry, shouldn't make you frustrated. It should just go, okay, that's fine. I haven't lost anything. I didn't get anything, So Jonathan McBride just gave a thumbs up. Thank you very much for your thumbs up. Please do help me grow my channel by clicking the thumbs up. If it's your first time here, I would really, really appreciate it if you click subscribe and ring the bell. It's a brand new channel. And if you're interested, I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man, by the way. And I have a music channel. And this is my recording studio behind me. And I go live every day with my music. And if you go below in the comments, you will see links to my Martyn's World, where we're doing the England football. And you'll also see links to Martyn Lucas, where I sing live shows. So later on in the video, there will be some links here, but this is a live video and you can't put live links on a live video. So we're waiting now to see if I will get accepted for this. Well, I won't get the IPO price. That's not going to happen. There's my live portfolio right now. But there's Bitcoin doing its thing. Figs again is doing great. Let me look today. Figs every day is doing great. I love fit. So I wish I'd bought more. Never say that, right? I wish I'd bought more. I'm up 63%. If I'd put $1 million on it, but there it is. That's the way it goes. But with you, we're still waiting to get in on the general public price any second now. So yeah, just to confirm, I didn't get it, and my friend Dr. Nathan Anthony Smith, who's live in the chat, didn't get it either. Many of you here didn't. Galade, where are you from? Galade Slashes, where are you from? We know Dr. Smith is from Washington, and he didn't get it either. It looks like all of us here didn't. Did anybody get successful? Some people will, some people won't. That's fine, but I'll try again on the next time. Or we got some new comments just coming in. California, Galade is from California. Thank you very much indeed. What's your favourite music, Galade? Maybe I'll sing it in my. When Elton John named me World Piano Man, it's because I do 650 songs in 14 voices in 7 different languages, and that channel is below in the description, and also up in the cards when this video renders, you'll see it there as well. Didn't get it. Atay didn't get it. Where are you from, Atay? Can you give us a thumbs up? Oh, and Satera, what do you predict the stock will be at today? Hey, that's very, very interesting. That's very, very interesting. Listen, this is my prediction. This is live right now. I'm trading live. Here's my portfolio. My buying power is 29994. It's gone up now because of you released its money. I tried to get 20 shares. I didn't get it. If all of you watching that right now could help me by clicking the thumbs up, it'd be really great. I didn't get my IPO order filled either. Is it worth to still put in a 31? Right. This is what I think, right? This is what I think. Chris, want to know that too? Well, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. And you're going to watch me do it live with my real money, okay? Any minute now, it will refresh and it will be available to the general public, because that's exactly what happened to Figs. Figs came out about an hour and a half later, it went live and I bought in and I lost about 6%. I was unable to get the 6% less IPO price, right? So that's my alarm gone off to book water aerobics. So if it's 31, I'll buy it, no doubt. If it's less than 31, I'll buy it, no doubt. If it's 34, I'll buy it, no doubt. If it's 45, 50, I will wait for a dip. And that is the key to all of this. Knowing your strategy, have done your research, and know when to buy and when to sell, and stick to your plan. Know what suits you, and stick to it. I'm looking at the time here right now. Here we go, because I've got to book my water aerobics. I was supposed to be at water aerobics now, but I stayed with you guys because I didn't want to miss this event with you. So I'm trying to book tomorrow's. Here we go, and I'm booking it right now. It's a hot ticket in town. It sells out straight away. There we go. I'm 53 years of age, and 52, and I go to water aerobics. It's good for you. Okay. Coming back now to the live shares, why we're all here. So yeah, if it goes down, I'll buy it. You could put a limit buy in. In fact, is that a good idea to do right now? Yeah, probably. In fact, should I do that? Yeah, yeah. Do you know what? I'm going to do that. I'm going to buy 20 shares. I'll buy 20 shares. Stick to what I was originally going to do. Is it letting me do a limit price? Yeah. I did. I set my limit at 35. Yeah. Should I do that? 31. Yeah. Shall I follow Dr. Smith? Limit price 35. If it's gone up slightly, yeah, that gives you a little bit of room for maneuver. Yeah. Review order, estimated price. Should I do? Yes. I'm gonna follow our doctor's advice there. I like that. 20 shares. Okay. Review order. All right. There you go. You see me do it live. All right. I've got to put my. I've got to put my security code in, so I'm just going to change the screen while I do that. I think that's fair, innit? I don't want to share with I don't want to share with the whole world my my security codes. So yeah, I'll do that now, and I'll come right back to you. Yeah, that's quite funny, right? Right, there you go. I've done it. I hope you understand that I was. You get some crazy people watch this who might try to break into my account. Right, there we go. Shares. Your order placed. Your order limit of shares has been placed. Done. Okay, I followed the doctor's advice there. I put a limit order for 35 in. 20 shares. Okay, review order. Hang on, let me go back to... there it is. There's my order. Limit price, 35. Okay. There it is. You've seen it live. Limit price, 20 shares at 35 bucks. Okay. Okay. If it goes at 31, great. If not, then no harm. Absolutely. Absolutely. I set my limit at 35. Okay. If it goes at 31, great. If not, then no harm. Yeah, absolutely. If the price is lower, I'll get. But I like what Dr. Smith has said there. If you're confident in it, if you're buying a share, you don't really just expect it to go up $4, right? If you believe in it the long term, you're expecting it to go up $20, $30. We'd like to see it double, but we'd like to see it grow. So, if you really want the stock, don't miss out by penny pinching and thinking, right, I'm only going to pay 31. It'll go for less. I might get my order less. It might happen. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. This is very exciting, guys. So let's have a look at the stock market. This is my portfolio. We're pretty flat today. In fact, we're virtually flat, completely flat. All right. I'm up 0.03%. All right. That's my actual money. This is real. Bitcoin today, I'm up a tiny bit. This is going to be great. Very excited about Bitcoin, by the way. Figs again. Let's see. That's my last IPO, which I didn't get. I told you about that. But any minute now, this is going to refresh. I wonder who'll be first. I wonder if you guys will get your notification first. We've received your order. Yeah, I know. We've received your order to buy 20 shares at 35. Okay. Okay. If everybody watching now could click the thumbs up video, the thumbs up, that would really help. This is not a monetized channel. This is genuine. This is me sharing my experiences with you as you share your experiences with me. And we're here to support each other and learn from each other. This is clear. It's not going to. I don't think this is a stock that's going to go to the moon instantly, because look, guys, travel restrictions are there. But at the same time, this improves travel experience. This improves security. This improves contactlessness. Is that a real word? This makes it better, safer, because you're not having to deal. Less contact with humans. This isn't done by biometrics, right? So you look into your eyeball is your password, if you like. So it's not going to go up dramatically. Of course it isn't, because we've got all kinds of issues with travel. But how much do you think it will rise in one day? Gallade from California. Looking at my experience of IPOs, I would say it could do 40, 42 in its first day. But remember, hey, here's the good thing, guys. Because we didn't get the IPO, we could day trade. I day trade all the time. Without any restrictions whatsoever. My account is above 25,000 and all that stuff. So I'm all good. I can day trade. And to be fair, I can day trade even if you have restrictions. You can still do a couple of day trades, and then it will refresh it recycles it every few days. So it's not a major problem as long as you're not doing hundreds of day trades. I day trade, regularly without any restrictions or anything at all. So, so we could sell. All of us here didn't get the IPO, so all of us here, if this jumps up, me and Dr. Smith, we're paying $35. But that's our limit. It could be less, right? We're about to find out. It normally refreshes within an hour of the market opening. So we're about to find out, because we're now just over the hour of the market opening. You're waiting on one stock. I'm just getting some notifications here from Robinhood. I'm just waiting to see. My limit order is placed at 35. We shall see. How much do you think it will rise in one day? Yeah, I reckon 42. Looking at the track record, looking what others have done, a similar price, so on and so forth. Maybe 42, but there could be a drop. But hey, if there's a drop, we'll buy it less, right? It's good to put a limit order in, and it's good to pay a little bit more, because then you're more likely to get it. If you put a limit order of 31, remember, it has to be a bit more than 31 before you buy, because the percentage. There's a tiny little thing with the buyers, the buyer thing. I don't go too heavily into that, but if you're concerned, about a couple of cents, then you shouldn't be investing in this stock. I'm not belittling a dollar. A dollar is a lot of money. I don't like, losing a dollar. I'm not a rich guy. This is my, I don't have money to lose. But what I'm saying is, if you believe in a stock and you've done your research, then you shouldn't be bothered a few cents here or there. So it's a good idea that Dr. Smith was absolutely right saying 35 rather than 31, because 31, it would have to be 31 and a bit to get it. But at 35, I'll still get it at 31 if it goes, lower. It just means I could pay a bit more and I'm more likely to get it, because if it's 32, 33, I'll get it. That's a good idea, because it's going to be really, really in demand right now to jump in. Patricia, random knows. Patricia's from, everyone say hello to Patricia and Alicia. They're my music fans. They watch all my music videos on my music channel, Martyn Lucas. The link's below, by the way. Elton John named me World Piano Man. So if you like Elton John music, I do the voice of Elton John, Frank Sinatra, Pavarotti. All sorts. Check out the link below. But Patricia's one of my fans from Italy, and she's saying random knows, and she can't even use the Robinhood app, but she's here today to watch the show. Thank you very much. Let's not forget Coinbase stock price jump. So many people bought after the IPO at 440, and a week later it dropped to 220. We'll have to be smart. Absolutely. I always never buy on those principles. You're absolutely right. $1 is not a lot of money, but if you buy 1,000 shares, then that dollar makes a difference. That's not me though. I'm for more 50 to 30 shit kind of. Mate, I've got 20. I'm right with you. Chris. No, but what Dr. Smith says is right. Absolutely. Is it AMC? AMC, I didn't buy all that nonsense. Listen. I'll say this right now. I've grown my portfolio, right? I've grown my portfolio from $5,000 in a month to $43,000. I never invested money that I can't afford. I hate that phrase, can't afford to lose. I can't afford to lose. Who wants to lose money? I can't afford to lose money. And if the stock market goes up and down, that's not losing money. That's an opportunity to buy in. You only lose money if you sell for less than you paid for it. I mean, that's fine. But I invested $5,000. It's grown to 43. So I'm really, really happy with this. But I've only ever, all my portfolio here, all of it, all my portfolio here is stocks I really believe in. This is my portfolio. I'll share with anyone, right? This is Virgin Galactic, which I believe full-heartedly that Sir Richard Branson will go up on the 4th of July, and he'll beat Jeff Bezos. Is Jeff Bezos American, by the way? Could someone just tell me that without me Googling it? Is Jeff Bezos American? Because it'd be quite a funny thing on Independence Day for an Englishman to go up into space before an American, if that's what it is. Someone just tell me, is Jeff Bezos American? But I think he will. If you look at Twitter, if you look at Reddit, the stock price, he's got his FAA approval. He's going to fly. Virgin Galactic. Tesla, really believe in Tesla. Love Tesla. I've got shares in Tesla. This is really, oh wow, we're up again today. This is good. I'm up 13% on my initial investment. Really happy with that. I believe in Tesla taking over the world. It's already happened. You know, Tesla is the most popular car in the Netherlands, Holland, previously Holland. Apple, Ford, Microsoft, Amazon, these are all my shares. And what I love with Robinhood is the fact you can fractional share at no cost. I love that. Yeah, he's an American. There you go. Right. So is an Englishman on. See, this is what I think is going to happen. This is what I think. This is what I think is going to happen. Right. I think Sir Richard Branson is going to go to space on the 4th of July, Independence Day, and stick it to him. He's a very proud patriot Englishman, and it'll be a fun thing on the 4th of July. Watch this space, right? If you look at the Twitter, if you look at Reddit, if you look at my other videos with what's going on, I think it's going to happen. And shares dramatically increased the other day. Saw it the other day, and I'm sure it's going to happen again. I'm sure it's going to happen again. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, this is a great comment. I love this comment. I don't think you is a meme stock. Too much volatility in those. Clear is a buy. I'm right with you, Chris. That's exactly why I'm investing in it. That's exactly why I believe, like Dr. Nathan Smith has just done a limit buy of $35. Totally agree. I'm just like you, Chris. I've got 20 shares. Was it Chris who said that? Someone said, yes, Chris, you're like me, mate. I got 20 shares. I've ordered 20 shares. I agree with you. I don't think it's a sexy stock. I don't think it's a meme stock. You is 100% not a meme stock. Yeah, absolutely. Look at that. You've got agreement there from Gallade. He's from New Mexico. There we go. Jeff Bezos. All right. Only ordered 13 shares. Good for you, mate. Yeah. I've ordered... I'll show you my order. Oops, there it is. I've ordered 20 at 35. And totally, I'm right with you. That's what I love. Are you all Robinhood users? That's what I love about Robinhood, right? It's for the average guy. It's for the average guy. I'm just an average guy. And I'm just trying to grow a pension. Because I don't have a pension because I'm an entertainer. I told you, Elton John named me World Piano Man. So if you like music, just go below and you'll see my description to my music channel. But this is my studio behind me. I sing here every day and do live shows. But I'd love you all to come and be my fans at my music channel. And Martyn's World as well, if you like football. I've got a Martyn's World channel. That's when I get drunk on YouTube and do silly stuff, right? But this is serious now. We're talking money. Just a 19-year-old trying to invest. Good for you, Gallade. Absolutely. I'm a bit older than you. I'm 52. But yeah, absolutely. Is everyone giving my video a thumbs up? Remember, I'm not a monetized channel, so I appreciate your support. Yeah. Are we all Robinhood users here? It's great. It's great. Don't get upset we didn't get the IPO. Don't get upset about that. It's okay. Remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. You need to say that on YouTube as well. You need to tell people that you're not a financial advisor. I'm not. I'm the World Piano Man, but I do invest my money for the future. Just invest it for the future. Long term. Not interested in meme stocks, not looking for drama, not looking for excitement, just looking for solid, steady growth. Look, this is the way I look at it, right? I turn 5,000 to 43,000 here in a month, right? If I put 43,000 in the bank, I earn 0.01%. I tell you what's really, really cool as well with Robinhood. I've got, I wonder if it shows it on the screen. I'll show you. Look at this, right? So I've currently cash earning interest 998, right? 7 cents. I think that's brilliant. I've earned 7 cents. If I put 900, and I've only been doing this just over a week. Just over a week I've been doing this. If you set yourself up with the debit card from Robinhood, they pay you 0.3% of your money in your buying power. So literally, just over a week, I've earned 7 cents on that. If that was in the bank, I wouldn't earn that in 10 years. And of course, it's got the what do you call it? Not the FDA. Is it FDA? Forget the name of it. The protection up to, I think it's $250,000. So you can be secure that your money's safe. It's got the insurance, it's got the backing, and so on and so forth. So, this is my real money. I've got it invested here, but it's worth putting it in the in the bank as well. Leaving it using that facility. Strongly recommend that. So you're growing money with your stocks, you're growing money with your interest, and you're growing money with your dividends. I've got lots of dividend stocks, love it. We're still waiting for this to go live. I love the fact that Gallade is just 19 years old and he's investing. Doing the right thing there, mate. You're doing the right thing. If you leave your money in the bank, what do they say? Cash is trash. I have to agree. If you've just got money sat in the bank, what's the point? It is live. It's live. There we go. 38. What's going on? Clear, secure. It is 38.73. So we didn't get it. There we go. There you go. You see it. It's 38. It's up. So we've got a limit order of 35. Do I change it to 40? Now, what do we do? Review my order. I'm not obviously going to get it at 35. What happens with the limit buy? Well, I obviously haven't got it at 35. Review order. Amount. Got it. Okay. I'm going to cancel my order. There we go. I've got 20 shares. Yep. I've just got in at 39.33. Okay. You saw that live. Do we get in at count? It's up to you. Do you think it's going to continue to go? Got 12. You got 12 shares. Congratulations. What was your price? My average cost now is $39.33, so I'm down $12. We watch it now. I'm expecting a dip. It could happen. 39.20. Hey, nice one, Chris. You beat me. It's okay. Dr. Smith is quiet. He's waiting for 35, isn't he? He's waiting for 35. What do you reckon? 13 shares at 39.20. I should have waited for the dip. No. Yeah, there you are. Dr. Smith is waiting. I learned from Coinbase. Yeah, it's okay. But I'm okay with this. I'm okay. Let me tell you why I'm okay with this. Right? Look, now I'm up. Now we're all up. Listen, if it goes down, stocks and shares go up and they go down. But do you think long term this is a good company? Yes. Do you see it being 40, 50, 60, 100 in a year from now? Yes. So then I don't care. I don't care if it goes to 35 because it will go up. Look, I'm up. Yeah, you go. It's okay. What is he saying? Yes, it's a good company. Yes, it's under your $40 cap, so you are good. Yeah, it's under your $40 cap. You're good. 40. There you go, guys. There you go. Remember, the moment it went public, the IPO is finished. It's now the general public. The public are trading on it for the first time. This is exactly what happened to Figs. It went up the moment general public could get in, because the general public, the people that tried to get the IPO are probably going to come back and get in now. So hoping it will go less is great, and I'm totally with Dr. Smith on that. But if you believe in it, go for it. You know, remember, you don't buy the price. We've been talking about the price today. That's the wrong thing to do. You buy the value. Where and what do you see Clear Secure doing? Where do you see it going? Do you think? That's it. Remember, guys, it could just suddenly go to $1. It could just drop to $1 now. Just because it enters the market at 31 doesn't mean it's going to. It can go to 1. But Clear Secure is a good company. It's got a lot of great credentials. It's in a lot of airports, a lot of football stadiums. I see it as a step forward in technology, a step forward in security, a step forward in the way we process through security. And especially with COVID, I think it's stop, you're scaring us. Gilade, this is the thing, right? You should never buy into the stock market. Liam, I can't. Shall I show that? Are we all grown ups here today? He's used a bit of profanity. It's okay, I'll show it. Try to keep the swearing to a minimum, but that's okay, I'll show it. Thank you very much, Liam. If you think I'm awesome, thumbs up my channel. This is a brand new channel. Just started it. It's only a few days old. But my much bigger channel is Elton John named me World Piano Man. If you want to come and hear me sing live, go below, and there is a link to my music channel and Martyn's World, where I talk about all the football. England beating Germany yesterday. Come and join me for all my live shows. So I'd love all my traders to go below and join in my music and my Martyn's World. There's 2 links below in the description. Go back below, or later on in this video you rewind it and there'll be links, little cards sticking up here, but they're not there now because it's live. So awesome. How do you only have 17 subscribers? Thanks, mate. Brilliant. Germany's never been the same after 2018. So we're watching it trade right now. Let's see what happens. So this is great. Dr. Smith, what are you doing? Is he in? Is he waiting for 35? Is he waiting for it to go back down again? It's a good company. It's got solid foundations. It's already in everywhere. So look, I'm up 5%. I've made 35. I've made $40. That's great. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. There we go. There is my portfolio. There we go. There we are right now. It is a very good company. It is. But look, Dr. Smith could be right. See, look, my Figs one, look, doing the same thing. Dr. Smith is absolutely right. He's absolutely right, because we could get a dip in a minute and he could buy in at $35 and make us all look like chumps. And for his sake, I hope he's right. For our sake, I hope he's wrong. But if it does, it does. If it drops to 35, you then make the choice, do I buy more? I like to dollar price average. So I'll tell you now, I will tell you right now, if it drops to 30, I'll buy another 20. All right? If it drops to 20, I will buy another 20. So my average will then go to about 35. So I'll be in where Dr. Smith will be in. So that's what I will do. It will go up and down. That's the nature of the beast. He's absolutely right. I want to see. Can someone tell me, right? Because it's a kind of a big deal. Elton John walked on the stage in Euro Disney Paris. That's when I got the title of World Piano Man. Has anyone gone and looked below and subscribed to my Martyn Lucas channel? Because later on I'm singing some Elton John later on today actually, and I'll do it live for you. Has anyone subscribed to it yet? And why hasn't everybody thumbs up my video? This is an unmonetized channel here just to help and support fellow traders who are investing in their futures, don't want to be a burden on the state and want to save for the future. There we go. Strong company that has great potential. Absolutely right. That's a cool picture, Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith is from Washington, by the way. Someone just thumbs me up. Thank you very much. Appreciate it very much. All right, so we're watching it live right now. This is great. I'm okay. I'm up $45, 6%. Oh, we're doing well now. I want to know what the doctor's thinking. Is he thinking, damn, I should have bought at 40? Is he thinking, no, that's all right. It'll go 35 in a minute. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, Doctor? We shall see. I think the doctor knows what he's doing. Yeah, he's right. Do you know, he's right. I've done that many times. It's easy to get excited and carried away. And I got a bit excited. I'll be honest. I got a bit excited. It was great. I got excited not because of the money, because I've got a brand new YouTube channel and you're all here watching me, and it's nice. It's fun. So it may nip today, but I will definitely buy. After the hype, he's right. After the hype, yeah, he's right. We shall see. But remember, you can day trade. You can day trade. Just got to go into your settings and turn that on. I could sell this right now, but I will pay capital gains of 20%. So what's the point? I didn't come in to make $46 and then whatever. Just news in. Launcher 1 has once again successfully reached orbit. Virgin orbit. Richard Branson has just tweeted that Launcher 1 has just again reached orbit. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic shares quickly. Let's watch that live, and we'll come back to that. I know it's a different company. Don't tell me it's a different company. I know, but I'm very excited about that. I expect to see Virgin Galactic go up because it's drawing attention to what Richard Branson's doing. And who believes on the 4th of July that an Englishman is going to beat Jeff Bezos, an American, into space on Independence Day? Who thinks that's going to happen? I do. Bit of fun, right? Right, here we are. We're at 42, 46. This is great. This is great. Okay. So, will it drop again? It's quite a high price. I will say, if you look at the numbers, it's quite a high price for the share to open at that. It could have opened a lot lower. There was a range where it could have opened a lot lower, and it actually opened above the higher point, and now we're trading up. So it definitely has potential to drop, and Dr. Smith could be right at 35. If you're a day trader, and I do trade from time to time, daytime, one-off, trades, it does happen, but I don't do it a lot. The facility's there. I could do it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to watch this for a little while because I think this is quite exciting where we are right now. 50, yeah, we're up 7.8% now. Get ready for a dip, guys. Get ready for a dip. Don't be upset about that. This was my experience with figs. Look, up 40% there. Bitcoin's a bit flat today. Watching Virgin Galactic. Let's have a look at the overall portfolio. The overall portfolio is pretty flat today. Okay. Even if we're here not able to use it, it's very interesting. There we go. Our friends from Italy, they can't use Robinhood. They don't have this. They don't have this app, but they are friends of my music channel. Alicia, tell everybody in the live chat why they should go and click on my Martyn Lucas channel. In fact, I just thought of that. I could do that. I'm going to drop the Martyn Lucas channel, everybody, into the live chat. I'm going to drop it into the chat, right? It's because I want all of you to come and join me later for my Elton John show. All right, here we go. There we go. I've just given everybody the link to my so while you're watching this now, go and subscribe to my Martyn Lucas channel. It's fair enough, isn't it? It's fair enough. And I'll also bring up Martyn's World if you like football. Who likes the football? England yesterday won, and while we're trading, we like to watch the football too. But we don't trade while we're watching football because we're drinking. That's not a good idea. There you go. There's the link to Martyn, the football, my football channel. I wonder if anybody will subscribe to me during the show. Thanks for the info, interesting chat. Got to go to my real job. Yes, this is my real job, Chris. This is how I earn my money, YouTube and shares. Chris, good luck to you, mate. It's dipping a little bit now, but you bought in at just under 40, right? So we're at 40. We just lost a percent there, but we're all good. I wish you luck, Chris. Thanks ever so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you another time on a live show, and hope to see you live on my music channel later on. Take care. Have a lovely day in was it California, wasn't it, Chris? I think it was. Good stuff. All right, let's have a little look. Let's have a look. We're up just 3%. We're having the dip now. This is where is Dr. Smith still with us? This is where he's watching now. He's seeing the first dip. He's seeing the first dip, and let's see if he's still with us, and let's see if he gets in. I know he's going to buy in because he said he was going to buy in, but let's see if he manages to get the 35. He may well do. He may well do. Congratulations to all of those of you that got in today. I hope you've done your research. If you do your research, you can trade with confidence. It's when you don't do your research, it all gets a bit scary. If you do your research and you know what you're investing in, then you are fine with it. You're fine with it. You can go along with it because you know what it's all about. If you're investing in like a meme stock, so the hype and drama, then it gets a bit more scary because then you shouldn't really be investing because you don't really know what you're investing in. So strongly recommend that you do your research before you invest in anything. This is real money, you know, and it goes up and down. It can disappear in 5 minutes. So we're going to watch it for a little while longer, and then we'll take a break, and then we'll come back later on with more updated information. But just to recap, all of us here, including myself, didn't get in on the IPO, which is a shame because it was 31. Ended up with 40, buying at 40, so it would have been I'd have been up 13% now if I'd got in at that, but none of us did. That's okay. Let's see where we end up. Still got a good crowd watching us. Thank you very much for being here, guys. We've got a good crowd here. If it's your first time onto my channel, please do click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you wouldn't mind. Let you know when I go live. And if you leave comments below, I do from time to time have competitions where I give stuff away as well. So that would always be good. And Mr. Love likes it as well. If you give comments below the videos, he really likes it. Okay. So we had a moment of a dip, and now we're increasing again. So let's see where we go from here. And I do use the charts as well for anyone's wondering why I'm just using Robinhood today, because we are just dealing with Robinhood the IPO. I'll go into the charts later on, but there we go, 42. Are any of my investors still here? Dr. Smith, are you still here? I know we lost Chris, but is Gilade still here? Is Alicia and Patty still here? I think you are. The numbers are there. Just give me a comment in the live chat. And for those who just tuned in, we are watching the live IPO today here on the Day Trader. And we're watching to see the live IPO where it goes to. We're at 42 now. Yes, we're here. Thank you very much, Alicia. All right, I think we're going to take a break now. And I'm going to edit this video and turn it into a video by itself and put that onto YouTube. And I'll see you all later for an update and see where we end up. But that's been a good start. Didn't get in on the IPO, unfortunately. Nevertheless, we're up 6%. It's bound to be a long-term play. It's bound to be a rocket at the beginning because we are talking about a stock involved with travel, and of course travel has got all sorts of restrictions right now. But that's fine. So I think we'll end it right there. So I just want to say thank you very much for all being here. Whoops, my camera's not turned on. Let's turn the camera on. That's better. Thank you very much for being here. Just leaves me to say God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other. And I'll see you all back live for an update here on the Day Trader. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.